Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now we need to know that the cube root that is about 1 over 3. So if we do first derivative for the both side, we have 1 over 3 s to the power of 4 minus 2s squared to the power of 1 over 3 minus number 1. And later that we need to do first derivative s to the power of 4 minus 2s squared. Next, first derivative of s to the power of 4, we have 4s to the power of 3. This one we have 2s, number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. And now we put number 4 go outside, we have 4 over 3. This one we have negative number 2 over 3. Because we don't have 4 over 3 in here, so we divide both sides by 4 over 3. So we have 3 over 4. So this one we change by u. This one in here we change by 3 over 4 du. Now we have the formula in here. So we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.